Tired of fumbling for cash or swiping cards? Want a smoother ride experience with Grab? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to easily top up your GrabPay wallet. Whether you're a seasoned Grab user or just starting, this guide will have you cruising with convenience in no time. First things first, why even bother with GrabPay? Seamless rides, forget the hassle of digging for cash or tapping your card. With GrabPay, your rides are just a few taps away. Exclusive deals, GrabPay unlocks exclusive discounts and promotions on rides, food deliveries, and more. Cashless convenience, embrace the digital age with a cashless payment experience that's safe, secure, and super easy to use. Now, let's get down to business and learn how to add money to your GrabPay wallet. 1. The Grab app. Open your Grab app and navigate to your wallet section. You'll find a clear top-up button. Tap it. 2. Choose your top-up method. Bank transfer. Select your preferred bank. The app will generate a unique virtual account number. Initiate a transfer from your online banking or mobile banking app to this virtual account number. The funds will usually reflect in your GrabPay wallet instantly. Credit/debit card. Enter your card details securely within the app. Choose the amount you wish to top up. Confirm the transaction, and the funds will be added to your wallet. E-wallets. If supported in your region, you can link your e-wallet accounts like Google Pay, Apple Pay, or other local options. Select your e-wallet and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the top-up. Over-the-counter, OTC. For some regions, you might be able to top up your GrabPay wallet at designated convenience stores or retail outlets. Check the Grab app for available locations and instructions. 3. Confirm and enjoy. Once the top-up is successful, you will receive a notification within the app. You can now use your GrabPay balance for rides, food deliveries, and other Grab services. Tips for a smooth top-up experience. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Double-check all the information you enter, especially account numbers. Take note of any transaction fees or processing times. Utilize the in-app customer support if you encounter any issues. With GrabPay, your ride-hailing experience becomes more convenient, rewarding, and enjoyable. So, top up your wallet today and discover the ease of cashless living with Grab. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.